Are you ready to conduct a research project in health and social care? This guide explores key aspects from planning to data collation. Discover how to effectively conduct research in your work setting. The project transitions from planning to practice. It involves finding support and building a detailed plan. Selecting methods and writing research questions are crucial steps. Carry out the research and record the data meticulously. This hands-on approach is assessed in your real work setting. Research is not a solitary endeavor. Tutors provide guidance on design and ethics. Managers offer practical support and access to settings. Libraries give access to academic sources. Ethics committees provide approval and advice. Gatekeepers, like social workers, facilitate participant access. Participants themselves shape the study's realism. Peers offer shared problem-solving and encouragement. Online resources provide technical guidance. Knowing who and what can support you is essential. Regular contact with tutors ensures guidance. Early help prevents deadline struggles. Clear communication with managers is crucial. Keeping records of advice aids future reflection. Effective support use is vital for research success. A clear plan is essential for project success. It includes aims, objectives, and methods. Timelines, often shown as Gantt charts, are crucial. Ethics and risk management are integral parts. A detailed plan keeps projects on track. A Gantt chart visually represents project stages. It includes finalizing topics and conducting literature reviews. Ethics approval and data collection follow. Data analysis and writing conclude the timeline. A structured schedule ensures timely completion. Anticipate potential issues in your research. Plan backups for participant access failures. Start ethics approval early to avoid delays. Know safeguarding routes for disclosures. Build flexibility into your timeline for unforeseen events. Henry Gantt's chart maps tasks against time. It shows task overlaps and order. A visible schedule aids project planning. For childcare projects, it ensures timely completion. A Gantt chart helps manage complex tasks effectively. Break projects into clear stages with deadlines. Identify necessary resources like time and materials. Plan ethics approval early to avoid delays. Include risk assessments for potential issues. A realistic plan ensures project success. Choose methods that best answer your questions. Justify your choice based on participants and resources. Decide on sampling methods and participant selection. Ensure the method is ethical and feasible. Method selection is crucial for data quality. Combining methods enhances research depth. Triangulation strengthens findings' trustworthiness. It allows cross-checking of data sources. Balance method variety against project size. A robust design ensures reliable research outcomes. Qualitative approaches fit experience-based questions. Semi-structured interviews provide depth with structure. Purposive sampling targets specific participant groups. A small sample yields modest, clear claims. Method selection aligns with research questions and feasibility. Strong questions are clear and focused. They must be answerable with available data. Open questions seek depth. Closed seek measurement. Align questions with aims and objectives. Well-developed questions guide successful research projects. Transform aims into specific research questions. Questions should explore experiences and challenges. Consider what changes participants suggest. Ensure questions flow from aims and are answerable. Well-crafted questions drive the research process. Pilot questions with colleagues before full use. Piloting ensures clarity and answerability. It checks for bias and leading wording. Refining questions post-pilot enhances data quality. A short pilot prevents ineffective data collection. Recruit participants and confirm consent. Use plan tools like interviews and surveys. Maintain ethical standards throughout fieldwork. Adapt if needed, but record changes. Conducting research requires practical and ethical diligence. Build rapport for honest participant responses. Manage power imbalances and emphasize voluntariness. Be prepared for disclosures and have safeguarding routes. Anticipate unexpected issues and plan accordingly. Data collection requires adaptability and sensitivity. Use consistent methods across participants. Stay neutral and avoid leading questions. Record data accurately and note influencing factors. Rigorous methods ensure data comparability and reliability. Maintaining rigor is key to research integrity. Accurate data recording is crucial. Transcribe interviews and anonymize details. Securely store data in compliance with laws. Organize data for easy analysis in later stages. Proper recording and collation prepare data for analysis. Collect only necessary data for your research. Keep personal data secure and access limited. Anonymize data early in the process. Dispose of data securely when no longer needed. Lawful data handling protects participants and complies with regulations. You've learned to conduct research from planning to data collation. Effective research involves clear objectives, ethical conduct, and organized data. Apply these principles to empower your work in childcare leadership. This is the conclusion of the video.